Let us start with the first example of practice set 6.2 given on page number 137. The problem says that an observer is standing at a distance of 80 meters from the church. If he looks at the top of the church, the angle of elevation formed is 45 degrees. Then find the height of the church. Okay. An observer is standing at a distance of 80 meters from this church. Okay. If he looks at the top of the church, the angle of elevation formed is 45 degrees. Then find the height of the church. Okay. Now, when we have to solve, we have to draw the figure, give explanation in only 2 to 3 lines. So I wrote the explanation. Suppose BC is a church and the observer is standing at A. Okay. Distance AB, this distance of the observer from the church is 80 meters. Angle A is 45 degrees. Angle of elevation is 45 degrees. That is given to you. We want to find out the height of the church, that is distance BC. Now, here comes the application of what we have discussed in the previous lecture. How to decide which trigonometric ratio has to be used. So, I am giving you the perfect pattern of decision making. First of all, write the given angle here. Okay. So, angle A is given, I wrote angle A. With respect to this angle, which side is given? So, for this angle, this is the adjacent side. So, adjacent side is given. And what do you want to find out? You want to find out BC, which is the opposite side of this angle. Adjacent side is given and opposite we want to find out. So, I wrote adjacent given, opposite I want to find out. Now, we all know the definitions of sine, cos, tan. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse, tan is opposite upon adjacent. Sorry. Yes, opposite upon adjacent. Okay. So, adjacent side and opposite side, they are linked by tan ratio. Adjacent side and opposite side, they are linked by tan ratio. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. So, we have to apply this. So, you write the given angle, write the given side with respect to this angle. For this angle, this is the adjacent side. For this angle, we want to find out opposite side. Iski opposite side. So, these two sides are linked by tan. Therefore, I am using tan of angle A. So, tan A is equal to opposite side BC upon adjacent side AB. BC upon A. This ratio we have to apply in this triangle. So, tan of angle A, theta means which angle? This angle. So, you can write here A. So, you have to apply tan of this angle. So, tan of angle A is equal to BC upon AB. Angle A is given as 40 degrees. AB is given as 80. I wrote tan 45. AB as 80. We know that the value of tan 45 is 1 from the standard trigonometric table. So, I wrote 1 here. Then cross multiply. You get BC is equal to 80 meters. What is BC? It is the church, height of the church. So, we know that is the height of the church is 80 meters. So, this is a very simple example which will tell you how to take the decision of trigonometric ratio. Which trigonometric ratio has to be applied? That ratio, that decision can be taken very easily in this example. And believe me, in all the forthcoming example, this will be the decision making pattern. Given angle you write here. With respect to this angle, which is the side given, right here, whether it is adjacent side, opposite side or hypotenuse. Okay. And then which is the side required with respect to this angle. That also you write. So for this angle, this is the opposite side. So I wrote opposite side. And choose the ratio which will link these two. And that ratio will give you the required side. So that is the pattern.